Hi, Duke. Can you hear me now? Hi. Hi, cute. It's nice to see you again, cute. Oh, Duke, I still cannot hear you. What's happening? Duke. I can't hear you, Duke. Can you hear me? Say okay if you hear me. What? I cannot hear you. No. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Yes? I cannot hear you. What's happening? Why? Where's your headphones? Maybe you can put it. Where's your headphones? You try to put it on. What are you saying? I cannot hear you. Oh, you write your you like the things that you wanted to say because teacher cannot hear you. Oh my god. Can you hear me? Wait a minute. Is your mom there? I'm going to call. Your mom's there? No, your mom is not there? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Duke. I'm going to send a message in the center, okay? Wait a minute, Duke. I'm sending a message. Okay, Duke, can you hear me now? But I cannot hear you. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, okay. You move it. You move it. I can hear something. Okay, move a little bit. Can you talk? Oh, I cannot hear you again. You move it again. You move it. You move that thing one more time. What? Move that again. You move the speaker again. Is that a speaker or a mic? What's that? Oh, you move it one more time. Wait a minute, I will send a message to your mom. Is your mom not there? Oh, Duke, try to move it again, Duke, so that I can hear you. Oh, can you write? Can you write what are you saying? Okay, wait a minute, Duke. I'm taking a photo of us. Can you hear me? What's happening? Wait a minute. I'm asking the center what to do, okay? Wait a minute, Duke. Okay, Duke, is there somebody who can help you? Right here, right, what are you saying, Duke? I cannot hear you, I'm sorry. You type it, Duke, so teacher can understand you. Okay, wait a minute, Duke. I'm asking for help, okay, so that call my mom. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to call your mom so that um okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Duke. We are calling your mom.
The receiver is temporarily unavailable. Please try again later.
Oh, your mom's not answering. Okay, wait. Wait, let's try one more time. Okay, so your mom's Facebook is not working too. Okay, let's try in Zalo one more time.
The receiver is temporarily unavailable. Please try again later.
All right. Also, your mom is not answering our call, Duke. Okay, so how do we do this one? Is there somebody to help you out now, Duke? What is that? Is there somebody to help you now? Look at my chat, Duke. Because I cannot hear you. You can write your answer. I'm trying to send a message. Chat mom Zalo. Yeah, I'm calling your mom in Zalo. But she's not answering too. She's not answering too, Duke. Okay, wait. Okay, Doc. She's not replying to. Okay, wait. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to call her again.
The receiver is temporarily unavailable. Please try again later.
Okay, so she's not answering to Doc. Okay. So anyway, Doc, I think we cannot learn tonight because somebody won't help you to fix it. Okay, teacher cannot do anything. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. All right, Duke. So let's have our class again, Duke, on Wednesday, okay? Because nobody can help you fix it. Okay, Duke? Okay, Duke. Don't be sad. It's all right. It's all right, Duke. Okay? I will send you a message. Wait a minute. You read it, okay? See you on Wednesday again, Duke. Don't be sad. Okay? Okay, so goodbye now, Duke. Let's see each other again on Wednesday, okay? Okay, Duke. Okay? All right. Okay, so let's see each other again on Wednesday. When just tell your mom that we cannot have class tonight because the audio file is your audio is not working, okay? All right. So good night, Duke. Okay, good night. Goodbye.